It's just a lipo, a single cell, in agony. A terrified little lipo, a lipo that knows nothing but pain.
Hi, I'm Goose with NewBeeDrone. Did you know that every day, hundreds of lipos are charged incorrectly or not used to their full potential?
Some lipos are even left to die a slow, puffy death because they are no longer able to be charged.
NewBeeDrone knows what it takes to save a lipo. But we can only save lipos if someone cares enough to pick up the phone and make a difference.
For as little as $14.99 in the form of a one-time payment, you could save countless lipos and provide the voltage to keep them healthy. The nectar injector can make a difference. Please show these lipos that you care by visiting NewBeeDrone.com and giving your support today.